We begin the setup of rear rack ATV mounting for the herd spreader by connecting the mount bar to the left and right arms. Then we hand tighten the bolts. Make sure to have a lock washer underneath. Next, we will need to connect the mount bar to the ATV rack. You do this by hand tightening the 4 large U-bolts to the ATV rack. It is now time to position the mount bar 6 inches from the rear of the rack. Using a 1/2 inch socket, it is now time to tighten the 4 large U-bolts that you placed earlier. With a 3/4 inch socket, we now tighten the mount bar that we hand tightened earlier. Wearing the appropriate PPE, use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the agitator and place the needed plate for your application. Once you have placed the plate, it is now time to tighten the agitator back in place over the plate with a Phillips screwdriver. Connect the seater to the spreader, leaving the bolts hand tight. Attach the brace rods to the ear of the casting, leaving them hand tight. Hand tighten the small U-bolts, connecting the brace rod to the mount. Pushing the top of the spreader, tighten the brace rods to the spreader. Using a 7/16 inch socket, tighten the small U-bolts to the mount bar. Continuing to push against the spreader, tighten the bolts attaching the seater to the mount bar. Plug the wiring into your vehicle port or the provided battery from our office. You are now ready to begin your application.